Hello, Reagan here. Welcome to my channel. This is part 2 of the Jimmy Studio build where I'm putting on the finishing touches, and then at the end there'll be some glamour shots of the studio once it's actually completed. And I do have a little bit of a look into some of the other stuff I'm going to be doing coming up. I have a couple of kits that I need to actually finish, doing some painting and stuff on. There's the Willys Jeep, the Godzilla Jeep. I have that. I started to paint it, didn't realize that I had the proper paints, and ended up having to start all over again on painting it. So I need to finish that, weather it up, and get together the paper cutout stuff that came with the kit so that I can get some shots of that. And I have a Cutty Sark that I want to do a little modification on, but I need to finish putting the rest of the sails on that. And if anyone's familiar with those little sailboat strings, getting everything tacked in place and everything is a complete nightmare, but I'm working on it. I will get there. I will persevere. I also have a Star Trek Original Series Enterprise to build, and I'm also working on a 1/24 scale Volkswagen 1966 Beetle, the 1300, my favorite. Anyway, so I have those coming up, and then I recently was gifted a beautiful, amazing Victorian painted lady dollhouse. It's massive. It's very massive. So I'll be starting that build, and then once I get that started, I'll be going through and getting it, finishing it up room by room as far as choosing wallpaper and flooring and decor and all that stuff. So that's what's coming up on my channel for 2023. If there's something you're interested in, please be sure to like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And I'm going to just kind of let this play through. You can watch and see what I'm doing, and I might interject a little bit here and there. So yeah, but thank you for stopping by, and hopefully you hang out, and if nothing else, skip to the end and check out the glamour shots. Anyway, thank you, and I will see you next week. Really quick, my apologies here for painting out of the frame. I didn't realize I was doing that until way later. But once I finally caught on, I tried to fix it. One thing that I really did like about this particular kit was that the majority of the drawers actually work, so you can open and close them and put things in them. I thought that was really, really cute. That's part of the reason too why I'm doing the Victorian Painted Lady dollhouse. It's like a 1/12 scale, so it's a lot easier to have like functioning furniture, you know, like drawers that open and close and things like that, and like cabinets that the doors open and close. It's a lot easier to achieve that at that scale, or find items that are pre-made, you know, or whatever. I'm gonna try to make as much of the stuff that I possibly can, or at least buy kits to make the stuff as much as I can to go in the actual dollhouse. But yeah, I really, really like the idea of drawers that open and close and doors that open and close, and actual furniture, yeah. I wanted to make the top doors of this to where they like swung on a hinge, but I ended up just making it like one piece that lifts off and on the front, because it just ended up seeming to be a little bit easier just because of the scale and trying to get everything to line up properly. I did put hinges on the two outside doors on the bottom, and I just drilled holes with an awl and used a couple of pieces of like paperclip wire for the actual hinge, and that worked out pretty good. They open and close, but I didn't line them up exactly right because I am by no means a carpenter. So I did my best, and but it serves its purpose. It works. They open and close, so that was a win. Mhm. And the kit came with the green paint for this. This is a really pretty color actually, but oh, for whatever reason. Okay, I'll tell you why. I used to have one. I used to have a hutch like this. That was this color. So I did it this color because nostalgia reasons. But yeah, I think if I had to do it all over again, or I might even go in later on and repaint it the other color. I'm not sure yet. I kind of like the other color, so we'll see. Who knows? And there I go knocking things down because big clumsy butt. But I am gluing that in place later, so it's fine. I try to use. Oh, this is the little dollhouse. Okay, so seriously, this was the part that drew me in for this kit, was that it comes with 2 dioramas and a dollhouse. There's a little bedroom diorama and a little living room diorama with a little fireplace, and then this adorable little bitty dollhouse. Like, how cute is that? There you have it. Ta-da! God, these things just never cease to amaze me. They're just so adorable. Now, if I could just blow this up full-sized and have that as my workshop, life would be wonderful. Thank you for joining. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, do all that fun stuff, and I will see you next week. Bye.